motovlog. Yeah, and you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out of.
What's up guys, Chris S1K over here. It is a beautiful day to be riding outside, so winter is coming, so we have to appreciate all the days that you can ride, so that's what we're doing. Over there on the bike, I put new rear sets, black and reds combined with the bike. They look nice. I like them. I'm getting used to them. They're not too bad. And while I was mounting the quick shifter, the rear set, I noticed that the bolt that holds the quick shifter on the old rear set was making contact with the swing arm. Like making a lot of contact. Like it scraped the hell out of my fucking swing arm. So I was like, that's weird. And I was like wondering like if that's what's doing the quick shifter problem. So I was hoping, I mount everything, I set it up, and I went for a ride, and yep, that was actually causing the problem. So now I got my quick shifter back, so that's pretty good. Now I'm waiting for the other part. So I can do it's nice to have that quick shifter back. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm waiting for another part so I can actually convert it to GP shift. I've been riding a lot in the track, so for some reason now GP shift just feel like it's natural, so I'm just gonna convert all my bikes to that. But yeah, that's the update guys. Now I'm just gonna ride. It's the first like actual ride after fixing that, so kind of excited. I'm heading downtown to meet with my boys over there, just chat for a little bit. Being a 2010 and have the OEM quick shifter, it feels really good. What a view guys, look at the mountains, they're beautiful. I love Colorado. Catch you guys in a little bit. What's the good thing about bike community, bro? Okay, we just want a random biker and he's gonna join us. Yeah, I love it. But yeah, GSXR 1000, 2007, S1K. 2010, an S1K 2020, and a FC07 or FC09. I think it's a 9. Maybe he's constipated. I'm sorry, puppy. We're over here just looking at you. We're sorry. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. Probably constipated and we're over there just looking at him, interrupting his potty time. Yeah, FC09. I just no, this one. Sweaty hands. Me no have that. But yeah, like I was saying, that's the only thing that I don't like about the rear set. It just feels a little bit soft. You guys like to jam to music while you're riding, or just prefer just to hear the bike? It looks good, red and black, best colors ever. massive wheelie?
I don't know. I think fucking, what's his name messed with the setting.
Jason?
Always as she goes up.
Jason?
Yes, he was doing almost second service, but I was like, no. Because I haven't to stay on the ground, and that's why I was like, she keeps going on, and I was like, what the fuck? So I don't know what's going on.
You know what? You're lucky because I wasn't recording. Motherfucker.
I was next to you. You didn't leave me.
Huh?
I was next to you.
I didn't. Hey, the camera didn't saw you, so.
Yeah, but fuck it. I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna keep the rest of that.